Today we are going to discuss about dealing with industrial law. Applying design thinking to industrial law involves a human-centered approach to understand the needs of stakeholders, define problem, generate creative solutions, and test them. Here how the design thinking process can be applied to industrial law. The first process of design thinking comes empathy. Understanding the need and challenges of employee and regulatory bodies through user research and interview to gain insights into their experience and pain points. Observe to identify areas for improvement in industrial law.
Hi, I'm Kavya M from 3rd BCom. I'm going to continue the topic of define. Define involves synthesizing insights gathered during the empathy stage through articulate a problem statement for industrial law. It might include problem framing, identify specific challenges or opportunities for the improvement of industrial law, such as streamlining, regulatory compliance, or enhancing employment opportunities. 3. Create a clear problem statement or point of view that captures the needs and goals of stakeholders. Use tools like problem statements, point of view statements, and law might be questions to guide the design process. Identify specific challenges or opportunities for the improvement of industrial law, such as streamlining, regulatory compliance, or enhancing employment opportunities. 3. Create a clear problem statement or point of view that captures the needs and goals of stakeholders. Use tools like problem statements, point of view statements, and law might be questions to guide the design process.
Hi, I am Indumati from 3rd BCom. Now I am going to continue to the topic prototype. Prototype involves creating tangible representations of ideas to test and refine solutions. For industrial law, prototype might include mock-ups, creating mock-ups of digital platforms or training programs to visualize and test ideas. Product programs, implementing product programs to test solutions in a controlled environment. It involves creating tangible representations of idea to test and refine solutions. For industrial law, prototype might develop mock-ups or product programs to test and refine solutions. Use prototyping to visualize and integrate on ideas.
From the BCom, now I am going to continue the topic ideate. Generate a wide range of ideas to address the defined problem. Use techniques like brainstorming, mind mapping, or scammers to develop innovation solutions. Encourage divergent and creative thinking to find new ways to improve industrial law. Digital platforms, developing online platforms for reporting workplace incidents or tracking regulatory compliance. Training programs, creating training programs for employees and employers on industrial law and workplace safety.
Continue the problem test. Testing is involved prototype with real use and great feedback and inside the industrial law testing mind input. Using test. Continue the using test with stakeholders, grant feedback on prototype and identify area included.
feedback loops to ensure continuous integrated application of solution.
3.
Evaluation of prototype with real usage. Continuing test and grade feedback to reflect solution. Establish feedback loop to ensure the continued integrity and improvement.